Hi, so this is a picker pile for what's happening in this connection. So we have two piles, pile number one with this blue crystal and pile number two with this green crystal. Alright, so you can just pause the video, take a few deep breaths and choose whichever pile is attracting you the most or you're connecting most with, and you also may choose both the piles if you want. So let's start the video. Okay, so this is for pile 1 with blue crystal. Let's see what is happening in this connection. I see most of you are, you're not on talking terms with this person. You may have been waiting for this person, and you may have been a bit uncertain about this entire situation, about this entire connection, and you may not know where this connection is actually going. All right, and also I feel either it's you or your person, you do have some childhood problems, issues, traumas. Okay, I see you need to start working on inner child healing, or maybe your person. Also, definitely there's this situation of financial constraint in this connection. Okay, maybe you're just waiting for this person, and though I see them texting you in maybe next few months or something, but definitely there's something better uh, in this entire situation. I think you deserve someone better, and you need to reconsider this situation. You need to reconsider this choice that you have right now in your life. And yeah, I think if you'll move out from this situation, there's a lot of success. All right, there's a lot of healing taking place. Okay, universe will be sending you a lot of signs. Universe is helping you. All right, universe is definitely helping you, but I think you're so adamant about this situation that you don't want to let go of this person. Okay, so let's see a few more cards, and I think for very few of you, some of you are in a twin flame connection, and you people are in a separation period. Okay, so this is for those who are in separation. And for those who are not in a twin flame connection, I see you wanting to get married to this person. All right, and maybe this person also wants to marry you. They also have those kind of feelings for you, but then again they're not willing to take any kind of an action. And ho sakta hai this person may have left you in the past. हो सकता है कि they may have done something tricky. They may have done some politics with you in the past, that is for sure. And this could be because of their ego or something like that. They are definitely not willing to take an action. This person is more of a thinker and less of a doer. Okay, they're more about words and less about actions. So please do not believe them. All right, because they definitely heal some wounds first, and until and unless they don't heal those inner child issues, they will not be able to give you anything in return, that is for sure. Okay, and I think this person is also waiting. I think they want you to keep giving in this relationship. They want you to keep texting them. Okay, they are kind of an attention seeker as well, someone who would want validation from the outside world, someone who would want attention from the outside world. Okay, so they do have this kind of a behavior, that is for sure. And Also, I see you people, going towards your career as well. I think you people do want to chase your dreams. All right, I think you are definitely working on your finances at the moment, but somehow this person is blocking your growth. ठीक है, बिकॉज मुझे डेफिनेटली फील हो रहा है कि आपकी लाइफ में एक्चुअली में काफ़ी कुछ अभी बेटर है. आई वुडंट से देयर समवन बेटर, बट डेफिनेटली देयर इज something better, and I think right now that something is your career. Okay, so it's better if you just leave this situation, if you just move out from this situation and completely focus on your success, on your career. Let me just clarify financial constraints, and then I'll read the child's love as well, the oracle message that we got. Yeah, okay, so I think they do like you. Okay, for some, those who are in a twin flame connection, I think they do have feelings for you, but somehow they are restricted, maybe because of responsibilities. Those who are married, maybe they cannot move out from their relationship or from their marriage or anything like that, because I see this person wants you. Okay, I see this person has some sort of feelings, some kind of feelings for you, but then again there's a lot of restriction. I think they just cannot move out from this situation, they just cannot move out from this relationship, this connection, or whatever they are dealing with. All right, so yeah, financial constraints. So hey, let me just read this message. The child's love. The love between a parent and a child is one of the most precious and deep connections we make during our life, during our time on earth. Children start out as part of us, and from their first cries, they establish themselves as the biggest part of our hearts. Definitely, some of you do have, some childhood issues, you do have some childhood traumas, and you do need to heal them. It could be you, it could be with your person, and ऐसा भी हो सकता है this is for both of you. So just see how it resonates with your situation, but definitely someone needs that kind of a healing. Let me pick some few additional message for this connection. Two of Swords. This person is completely confused, though they are gathering that courage. Okay, see, even though this person may come, okay, even though this person may communicate with you, they may want to put efforts, or they may show that they are trying to put efforts or anything like that, but trust me on this, they haven't improved. Okay, they're still the same. And also for some of you, I think this person is quite confused, even though they are wanting to take some sort of an action, but they have so many responsibilities that they cannot really do anything. All right, they are completely focused on their career, on their personal life, on their relationships, especially for those who are married or those who are in a relationship with someone else. Okay, so they do have certain responsibilities, they do have certain duties when it comes to this person, or maybe in their personal life or in their general life. And also I think for some, your person may come and talk to you, they may come and communicate with you, they may show that they're ready to put those efforts and everything, or whatever you want in this connection, but they may want this new beginning with you. Okay, but I would suggest that do not trust this person completely. ठीक है, because they may show that they have changed but they're still the same. हो सकता है आपको वो चेंजेस कुछ टाइम के लिए दिखे, डेफिनेटली आपको कुछ टाइम के लिए वो दिखेंगे, लेकिन वो वापस से अपने उसी ओल्ड बिहेवियर, उसी ओल्ड पैटर्न पे आ जाएंगे, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं अगेन बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं उनके वो इश्यूज़ हैं, ठीक है, उनके कुछ चाइल्डहुड इश्यूज़ हैं, कुछ उनके पेरेंटल इश्यूज़ हैं, कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है कि यू नो बिकॉज दे आर मैरिड दे कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस सिचुएशन. ओके, सो या so just see how it resonates with your situation, how it is, you know, how you can relate with your person and everything, because I am getting 2 3 I'm getting different scenarios from this pile. All right, so you can just see how it is connecting with you or how you can relate to it. And I guess that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, so this is for group 2, those who chose this green crystal. All right, let's start your reading. Let's see what's happening in this connection, and let me just tell you that these energies may change, because we're just checking the current energies about, you know, what is happening in this connection right now, what is the situation right now. All right, so let's see. ठीक है, balance. Even though I wanted to pick one card from this deck, but somehow you got 2 cards, so we'll see. And I think you do have choices. Okay, someone also may reach out to you, or you may reach out to someone. Let's see. See, if you know, even though you do have choices or anything like that, even though you may get confused or you may get a bit stuck about, you know, which one, in which direction you should be going, or whether A is the right one for you, or whether you should go with the B one, then please do not worry, because you are kind of protected. Not even kind of, you're definitely protected. Universe has your back, and universe is watching each and everything. And let me tell you that everything is planned. Okay, everything is planned. And in this pile, I think some of you, those who are in a twin flame connection, I think you people are close to your union with your twin flames. All right, and if you want, if you have been thinking to communicate with them or to take some sort of an action, then definitely you can, and you will also get help from others. This relationship will improve. Those who are already in a relationship and you think something is, not going in the right direction, or something is not certain, then definitely this whole situation will improve. Okay, this situation will definitely improve. And those who are not in contact with your person, those who are not in talking terms, so I think either it's you or your person who have not been talking to you because they have been working on themselves. Okay, they may have been introspecting a lot, they may have been analyzing and thinking about their old patterns, about their habits, some of them, or maybe it's you as well, who is kind of totally focused on their career, okay, on their wishes, on their finances. They just want to make money. All right, and like I don't know, I just feel for most of you, your person, either it could be you as well, so you can just see how it resonates with you, but definitely this person is completely focused on themselves at the moment. Okay, Then also, if you're thinking that whether they're seeing someone or not, let me just tell you that this is a confirmation that they are not at all seeing anyone. Okay, they're just completely on this sojourn. Okay, they're on this solo journey where they just want to make money, where they want to go higher and higher. They just want to ascend, they just want to fulfill all their wishes, they just want to tick off their bucket list. And they're just playing it, it's like playing time for them. Maybe it could be you as well, but I see a lot of happiness in their life right now. Again, it could be you as well, so just see how it resonates. But I think this could be your person. And also, if they have been on a break, or they may have been contemplating a lot, or they may have taken the space or something like that, then definitely this person will reach you out. Okay, वो जो balance अभी शायद से अभी नहीं है, वो balance definitely आ जाएगा. ठीक है, let me just clarify the angel of balance. कुछ लोगों के लिए डेफिनेटली ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपके जो पर्सन है वो शायद से अभी वो बैलेंस ना मेंटेन कर पा रहे हो. ठीक है, दे आर क्वाइट enthusiastic about their career, their finances, their money, about they are enjoying their life, they're enjoying with their friends, they're quite social right now, they just want to socialize, they just want to play, they just want to enjoy. So I don't think they are focusing on you. But yeah, I think this situation is going to end soon. जो भी ये balance maintain नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ना, this situation will end really soon. Trust me on that. And they will reach out to you, they will come to you, they would want you to heal them, they would want you to give them love, they would want you to show them affection and stuff like that. But then I think it will be your choice whether you want to do that or not. Okay, cool. Let me just read this message, and then we'll take out some additional message for you as well. So for reach out, it is, we know you're reaching out right now for help due to a current situation. Support is as much about the physical act of accepting help where offered as it is about the emotional benefits and learning that it's truly okay to accept support however it's presented to you. So definitely you will be getting help, and you can ask for help from others. All right, because you got this card twice. First here that ask for help from others, and the second one is reach out. So you can definitely, please don't be afraid to reach out. Okay, you can talk to this person if you want, you can talk to your friends about it. If you're feeling low or if you're feeling stuck about this situation, please go and talk to your friends, your colleagues, someone who you can trust, your family members, your counselor, your psychologist, anyone. Okay, so yeah, let me just read this as well. Choices. When you accept responsibility for your life and the choices you make, you begin to tap into the power of your own spirit. You will be able to listen to and appreciate the intuitive wisdom that's inside you and apply it positively and constructively to your outside world. Yes, because like I said, you do not have to worry about anything. You are completely protected, and maybe this whole situation, this whole connection is also protected. Okay, and I can't promise you about this connection, but definitely you are protected, and whatever is happening for a reason. Okay, you just need to tap into your power. Okay, just focus on yourself for the moment, because things will things will fall in place. And I see somehow you will be the one who will get victory over this whole situation, because they will definitely reach you out. All right, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक कि कोई कितना भी मज़ा क्यों ना कर ले या कुछ भी क्यों ना कर ले, एट द एंड दे वुड वॉन्ट टू कम बैक टू देयर होम. ओके, एंड I somehow feel that you are their home, so they will come to you. They will end up reaching you out. Because I feel for some, their friends may betray this person, their friends may betray them, and then they will realize your importance. Okay, let me just pick out few additional messages for this connection. और हो सकता है कि आप में से काफ़ी लोग एक स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पे भी हो, एंड ये जो भी अभी हो रहा है, ठीक है, जो कुछ भी अभी हो रहा है वो इसलिए हो रहा है सो दैट यू कैन start focusing on your wishes, so that you can start focusing on yourself. Okay, so that you can start focusing on your money, on your finances, on yourself, maybe on your spiritual journey, so that you can start that spiritual journey, so that you can play, so that you can enjoy yourself, so that you can be the authentic you. All right, आप में से काफ़ी लोग हो सकते हैं कि आप में से काफ़ी लोग या तो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में हो, ठीक है, एंड काफ़ी लोग ट्रैवल भी कर रहे हैं इस टाइम पे. ऑल्सो कुछ लोग इस सिचुएशन से मूव ऑन कर रहे हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ यू हु इज़ गोइंग टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन, बिकॉज यू आर इन योर पावर. ओके, आप में से काफ़ी लोगों को 111 या 1111 भी दिख रहा होगा. प्लीज लिसन टू योर इंट्यूशन. Please listen to your intuition. Make a choice. All right, focus on your life right now. ठीक है, because let them be a part of your life, because right now I see you making them a center of your life. Okay, and that is not how it works. That is not how it works. And definitely you need to heal your heart chakra. Please, you can go for heart chakra meditations as well. You need to balance your heart chakra, because I see your heart chakra is quite active right now. You're quite emotional right now. ठीक है, so start focusing on yourself. And कुछ लोगों का I think you are starting something new in your career. So if that's the case, just focus on yourself, because after all I don't think you're so वेला. Okay, मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप लोग इतने ज़्यादा वेला हो या वेले हो कि आपके पास एक ही काम है कि आप इस पर्सन के ऊपर पूरा टाइम फोकस रखो या इसी पर्सन के बारे में आप सोचते रहो. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज़ योर पर्सनल चॉइस कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं, बट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक आप यू पीपल आर क्वाइट इंट्यूटिव, यू पीपल आर क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग, you people are quite opinionated, so please use those skills and powers. All right, and just move on from this situation for now, because definitely the situation will improve. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.